Hello, this is Jonavar, and we are learning new words every day. I'm learning German, and he's learning Ilonggo, especially when ordering at restaurants. We are here at Terras at Ayala, ordering our food and learning some Ilonggo. Whenever he orders food, he tries to speak in Ilonggo. When he talks to the waiter, he would say, "May ara kamo," something on the menu. And he ordered duha kasi two. Namit namit, meaning yummy. What are your other favorite words? Some survival Ilonggo sentences that Homer has learned.
Hindi ko ka-intende.
That's when you say when you don't understand. What else?
Mo lang na. Nakatulog. Subong.
Nagatulog subong, you're sleeping now.
Nakainom.
Nagainom, drinking. Naga is the
Pero
ing.
nagatulog.
I will teach you this very important word that means anything. Remember the word kwan. If you don't know the word for anything, you just say kwan. Kwan is a word used by Ilonggo when they forget the actual word. Just say kwan. Kwan. So let's eat kwan salad. Kwan. So if you don't have a word for it, you say kwan. Let's do kwan. Kwanta. Let's eat. Kaunta. Bon appetit. Good appetit. Let's eat. This is Jonavar, and bye for now until our next Ilonggo series.
Thank you.
That looks
Ano to?
namit.
What's this?
Ano ni?
Ano ni? Or nothing.
What's that? Ano na?
Ano na? Ano ni? Oh, look.
Oh, is that dessert? You have to say it faster when you say namit na. It's not namit. Namit namit. Namit namit. Kaunta? Good appetit.
Kain ka.
The salad maybe needs some more work. It looks boring.
Come on, you have to eat them.
Yeah.
You didn't do any of it.